how to send USDT from Bybit to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to send USDT Bybit to Binance. After you open up your mobile phone, go to Binance app. After you go to the Binance, so in your interface, tap on this Add Funds button. So now go to this on-chain deposit. So now after you go to the on-chain deposit, so now select USDT, or you can search the USDT. So now go and choose the network you want to use. So for this video, I'm using this BSC network because it's more cheaper. After you select the network, now tap on this copy address button. So now I copy the address. So the next thing to do now, close the Bybit app, close the Binance app, and go to your Bybit app. After you open your Bybit app now here is your Bybit. So the next thing to do, you go to asset in the Bybit. After you go to asset on your Bybit, so from this option, now you tap on this withdraw button. So from the withdraw option, now go and search for the coin you want to withdraw. So I'll just go and search for USDT from the option. So now here is USDT, select the USDT. So now go to this on-chain withdraw. So now from this option, now paste in the address you copy in this option. Tap on this. So now you tap on this paste icon. So I'll just tap on this option and run place and paste. After you paste in the address, now select the network in this option. So remember we choose this BSC network. So select the exact network you choose from the Binance. After you select the network, so now you type in the amount you want to withdraw. So the minimum amount we can withdraw. So type in the amount in this option. Yep. So type in the amount. So as you can see now, the minimum amount you can withdraw of USDT from the Bybit is $10. So if you have the amount on your Bybit account, just after you type in the amount, so from there this withdraw button will be active for you. Because I don't have the amount, that's why the withdrawal button is not up, it's not like working for me. But if you have the option, just type in the amount and tap on this withdraw button. So from there they'll ask you for verification. After you receive the code, from there the USDT will be sent into your Binance account. And that's it, guys.